Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Alright, so today we're gonna do a dance tutorial on how to do the Gimme More TikTok dance. Okay, so let me just quickly show you the first section that you're about to learn. Alright, so it goes da 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 woo da da. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Now, let me break it down for you. So, your arms are saying right, woom, woom, left, and. Yeah, so it's just here, back, back. Now, if you want to, you can also add the legs. Yeah, step, 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 or drag, drag. Yeah, the important is just that you move to this side. So this was my left, right. Yeah, so woom, 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 woom. Yeah, if you're really lazy, you can also just go woom, 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 woom. All right, so we're ending here. Now what you want to do here is go around here. Your hips are moving around, left, back, and here. All right, so I was here to my right. I go to the front, left, back, around this way. All right, so let me just recap here. Woom, 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 around here. Now, if you want to, you can add your head as well. So when you move your hips around like this, you want to move your head in the same direction. So you go, woom. All right, so here. Now, the last thing you want to do is say, grab to your left, pull to your chest. All right, so let me just recap this first section here. It goes, round, da-na. Okay, so let's just try and practice that. I'm gonna go super slow. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Da na na na. Round. Da na. Let's try it with me one more time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Na 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 na. Round. Na na. Alright, moving on to section 2, let me just quickly show you what we're about to learn. So, right after wah wah, you go da na whoa, da na. Okay, let's break that down. Alright, so you want to go from here. What you want to do is be able to move your hip. So in order to do that, you need to go a bit down, bend your knees a bit so that you can move this more freely. Alright, boom, whoa. If my legs were straight, it's a bit harder. Not that it's impossible, but like this is bigger effect. All right. So you go whoom, bend, boom, boom. Let me show it from a different angle. I'm going boom, boom. All right. So from here, boom, boom. I wanna go body roll back. Now, if you don't know how to do the body roll and you're interested in learning it, I have a detailed tutorial that I'll link up here and in the description. Or if you want to, you can also just fake it. So just go head, push your chest out like this, and then you want to go collapse before you go ha and ha. All right. So right after ha and ha, you want to throw your arms, or basically just prepping for the next move here, bringing it down to your left thigh, your knee here, and then you want to go boom. All right, just one time. All right, and again here, it's easier if you're a bit down in level so that you can move your hips more freely. All right, a quick recap of part 2, or section 2, is right after we grab chest here, you want to go pop, pop, body roll, prep, hop, and a prep, pop. All right, time to practice. So from here, you want to go hop, hop. All right, so 5, 6, 7, 8, and hop, hop, and body roll, hop, hop, and a prep, hop. All right, let's just try that a bit faster. So from here, 7, 8, and da na 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 na, na 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 na, and na na. All right, guys, let's try to do it from the tip to the top so that we don't forget the first midsection. All right, so let me just recap from the tip to the top. It goes na 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 round, na 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 body roll, na 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 na, press, na na. All right, time to practice. 5, 6, 7, 8, na 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 na, na 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 na, back down, na na na, press, na na. Let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, na 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 na, round, na na, na 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 na, back and na na na, press, na na. As always, feel free to practice some more if you need to, but if you're ready to move on, let's move on. So the end of minute section 2 was boom shakalaka. All right. From here, the transition is a bit weird, but basically you want to move to the same side, so you're moving to the left. You go drag and a drag and. All right. Here you want to say, come here, come here. All right. So left, right. From here, you basically just want to say clap. All right. So pretty simple. Let's just keep it like that. So you want to go after boom here, you go da na 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 clap. Let's just practice that. From the boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left, right, clap. You know what? Let's practice the transition as well. So let's do the boom before we go boom, boom, clap. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go boom, right, left, clap. All right, now to the sassy part. All right, so let me just quickly show you what we're about to learn. So it goes clap, it goes boom, 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 boom. Hey, hey, clap from here. You want to go way. So basically what I'm doing is I'm lifting my right leg here as I'm turning like that. All right, so it's facing my front here. Now I'm going this way. All right, but I'm still looking to the front. All right, so like that. Now at the same time, I also want to go left up here, right, boom. All right, so let's just try that. We're gonna go boom, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. So basically what I'm doing with my left here is I'm going lift like that. Yeah, so whoop. All right, so boom, bring it down and then go whip your hand. All right, so you just want to go boom, 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 and then again, same pose, and then back. All right, let's just try that. We're gonna go, so we just did boom, boom, clap, boom, whip your hair, boom, and then the last thing actually you want to do is go gimme. So pulling it in again. Okay, so let me just do a recap again. So right after clap, boom, whip, hey, bring it in. Okay, time to practice. Bob from the clap, after the clap. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Boom, hey, hey, boom. Bring it back. All right, let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, boom, boom, hey. Bring it back. Okay, now the last section. So right after pull it in, I'm just gonna show you. It goes boom, boom, hey. All right. Now let me break it down for you. What you want to do is just go hey, hey, down. All right. So my left goes up, my right goes down. All right. So hello, hello, opposite. Notice I'm looking up. All right. Now the legs are doing out and out and out. At the same time, you also can go bit down. All right. Now, if you combine it all together, it's gonna look like this. So every time you go in with your fingers, you want to go out with your legs, opposite, opposite, and down. All right. Let's just try and practice that. We're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom and boom and boom. Let's just try that again a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom and down. All right, guys, that's it. So let's do a full dance run through from the tip to top. So it goes right pull, left pull, swing around, pull chest, hip boom, 2, body roll, chest, chest, prep to say boom, and then move to the same side. Hello, hello, clap, and then hey, whip, whip, hey. Bring it in and then go hello, hello, hey. Now the timing is super simple. It's basically she's saying the same thing again, again, again. Gimme, gimme more, gimme more, gimme, gimme, gimme. All right, so it's I'm just gonna show you to the timing here. It goes na 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 back na na more da na da na da na cat da na 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 da na 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 more. All right, guys, time to practice. 5, 6, 7, 8. Na 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 na. Na 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 and na 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 clap and na 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 and faster. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Na 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 boom. Na na. Na 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 and mum 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 na 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 clap and na na boom boom na 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 boom. Okay, so once you practice over and over again, it should look something like this. Na 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 boom na 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 hey boom 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 boom. Boom 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 hey boom 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 hey. Alright guys, so that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the Gimme More TikTok dance. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much and until next time.